This is Chad and Dalton from Coyote Classics, and today we're checking out a beautiful 1967 Mustang Convertible. This is a gorgeous Mustang.
It sure is. I was just saying that. Beautiful Mustang, done in an awesome red. You really have to see this car in person, and you have to see it out in the sun, because the pictures and video will not do the paint justice. It's got just a very, very thin metal flake in it that we might be able to hit it on the trunk lid a little bit, but it's a really nice red, but it almost in the sun it has a little raspberry metal flake to it.
Beautiful. Yeah, I haven't seen it out in the sun either, so I'm excited. It's
a gorgeous car. I mean, absolutely show quality, and that's how the previous owner built it to be.
A very nice under the hood too. Wow.
Yeah, and they left it stock, Dalton. They didn't go ahead and put aftermarket valve covers and intake, stuff like that. They left it all pretty much all stock. Power steering, power brakes, which are great options on a 1967. And when you go around this restoration on this car, you can see they did a great job with all the jam work. So the paint and the jams and under the hood and trunk are just as nice as the rest of the car. Show quality finish on the outside as well. With the Mustangs, a lot of those guys get kind of hot. They went ahead and updated the, when they replaced the radiator, they went up and put the fan shroud on there as well. All new belts, hoses, everything's just ready to jump in and enjoy.
All the correct stickers, and they just did this thing really right.
They sure did. Even the windshield washer stuff's all full and working. The horse and corral, all the trim looks gorgeous. Front to back, gaps are excellent. If you have been looking for a really nice 67 Mustang convertible, look no further. This is a really nice one, you guys. Magnum 500 wheels, BFG raised wet letter tires, a ton of tread. I mean, they're like new as well, it looks like. Beautiful straight body. Got the wheel well trim, rocker molding as well. Nice gaps. You can kind of see what I'm talking about on the metallic now, can't you, Dalton?
Yeah, I can.
It's a little darker red. In the video and stuff, it might come up kind of as a poppy red, but it all kind of depends on the angle that you're looking at and the sunlight as well. Back tires have a ton of tread on them as well. When they did the restoration, they put the correct gaskets and stuff around there. Corner of the door, just as I expected, 100% rust-free, never had any filler or any work done. Not a deluxe interior, just a standard interior, and the interior's in great shape. It does have a remote mirror. Not only does that power steering and brakes, it's got a factory power top. It's got the clock in there. One thing that would be an easy thing to do, and mention it to one of the sales guys and we'll do it for you, is just to replace this piece here. It's just got just a little bit of, around the edges, it's just faded out just a little bit. Aftermarket console in there, comes right out if you don't like it. But it is nice to have the cup holders and stuff for these classic cars. AM radio still there. Factory steering wheel's in gorgeous shape. Horn still works. Seats are very professionally done. Carpet's nice. Back seat's nice. We got seat belts front and rear. Again, like I mentioned, the door jamb paint's in nice shape. Not only does the car look really nice on the top side, but the bottom of the quarters and stuff all look great as well. We got dual exhaust, new chrome around the back.
Here you can really see that metallic come on the trunk lid. Beautiful.
As we look up and down the sides here on the passenger side, again, laser straight, beautiful. Great tires all the way around, brake lights are working. We'll go ahead and fire it up as long as we're sitting here, Dee.
Do you have the keys?
Probably in my... Go ahead. We'll do it later. Nice black top. Yeah. We'll be taking this one for a drive in a little bit, so Dalton will go ahead and fasten all that up. As we're looking here, we'll go ahead and take a peek in the trunk. I think I just got pictures done of this one, so it's got a car cover and everything in here. Got a nice cover. Trunk's all nice and solid. Got the mat, spare tire, cover, jack, all that stuff. So bottom of the trunk lid's beautiful. Keys are in the trunk, D. Again, gap's in great shape here. Bottom of the door is awesome, all the way along. Take this one to any classic car show and be super proud to own it, drive it, enjoy it, and show it. Dual mirrors. Okay, another rust-free door here. What's your thoughts on it, D?
I like it. Like it a lot. I always love these 67s.
To me, a 67 is the best year of a Mustang. You know, coupe, fastback, or convertible. But definitely a fastback.
Yeah.
So I'll pass this over to you. We'll fire it up and I'll go through it. As we go through here, so many things you want to ask on these Mustangs. How do the windows roll up and down? Because a lot of times they don't roll up and down very good at all. Very common with them, the little plastic rollers break. Easy fix, but you got to take the back seat out.
Nice sound dual exhaust.
So, Alpine CD player in here. Okay. And it goes on and off with the key. See it? So you can just leave it on all the time. Starts right back up nice. So original AM for the look, which I really like, right? We talked about the horn works. Wipers. Turn signal indicators on both sides work. Oil pressure's nice and high. Heater fan works. Remote mirror. Alternator gauge works good. The only thing I see that's not working, gas gauge works too. I filled it up with gas when it came in. The only thing I see that's not working is your clock. And then we're going to check out that temperature gauge here in just a little bit.
Sounds good.
Brakes are awesome. I mean, your brakes are way up top on it. I did not take a look and see if they're disc or drum. I know they're power. I'm guessing they're disc by the way they feel, but stop nice and straight, I'll tell you that. Really nice, smooth shift. I mean, you don't feel it shifting at all. Here's your brakes, Steve. I mean, they're awesome. I mean, you don't have to do nothing with the brakes. Steering is perfect.
This whole car's awesome. We don't have to do nothing with it. Besides
really
buy
don't.
it, put it in your garage, take it to the next show.
That's how I look at it. Even as far as it seals up nice, don't it? Everything's
does.
nice
Looks
and
like
tight.
all
The rear view mirror's nice. Yeah, that's a quality car.
Looks like all the inside of the top looks new too. All the metal and brackets and all that kind of
painted
stuff.
all that stuff. It's got plenty of giddy up and go. Look at the weight and steering wheel, how nice and straight that goes down the road.
Kick downwards. Very nice.
70 mile an hour right there, and it's so nice and tight. I mean, it's just a quality car.
Can't disagree.
No shake, no shimmy, no rear end noise like some of the Mustangs do.
Very nice.
Brakes out one more time. Like I said, if you stop on a damn dime if you want to. Nice and it idles down nice and quiet too, and the power steering is fantastic to have. I mean, no matter your age or gender, I mean, it's very easy to steer that. You know, a lot of people want to buy these for their wives and stuff, and power steering's a must.
Yeah, it is.
You know, it really is.
Check this one out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Just a ready to go show quality Mustang.